Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the DirecTV Stream app on your LG Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming live TV and on-demand content. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV and press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Navigate to the LG Content Store, which is the app marketplace for LG TVs. It's usually represented by an icon on the home screen. Step 3. Use the search function in the LG Content Store to find the DirecTV Stream app. Type DirecTV Stream in the search bar. Step 4. Select the official DirecTV Stream app from the search results and click the Install or Download button. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Once installed, open the DirecTV Stream app from your apps list. You'll see a welcome screen with sign-in options. Step 6. Select Sign In or Activate Device. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen along with a website URL. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the DirecTV Stream Activation website at directv.com/stream/activate or the URL shown on your screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV and sign in with your DirecTV Stream account credentials. Your LG TV will automatically update and you can begin watching live channels, sports, and on-demand programming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.